How to start importing reviews from AliExpress to your Shopify store with ease. In this video, we'll talk about how to import reviews from AliExpress to Shopify for free and quickly in just one step. We have this product and we want to start importing reviews from AliExpress for it. We'll start by taking the name of this product and searching for it on AliExpress. After you search for the product, you'll start coming here like this and start choosing orders to get the product with the highest quantity sold. So for example, let's imagine I want to get customer reviews for this product, so I'll start by choosing this product. Then I'll go back to my store and come here to apps, click on it, and then in this area, search for Trusteux. You'll find this app, start clicking on it, and of course, you can use the app for free. We'll start by clicking on install from here and then click on install again, then it will ask you for some steps you can do. Let's click on import from here. And this is the product for which we want to import reviews from AliExpress, so we'll start by clicking here on import from AliExpress, and then put the product link here like this. This is the link. We start copying the entire link, and then paste it in this area, and after that, from here, I can choose specific types of reviews like reviews with images. If we scroll down here, we'll find reviews with images, which give more credibility, so I can choose them. Or I can choose all the reviews, and here, of course, the free plan allows you to import up to 20 reviews, which is very good. Then we'll click on import from here. Close this, and now it will start importing all the reviews. Close this from here, it has already started importing, and it says complete here, and indeed there are reviews in this area. It's very important to do the next step, which is to go to the widget from here. Then click on install widget. This step is very important. Click on it, and then click on close. So the widget is now active as you can see. If we go back to the product and start viewing the product in this way, and then scroll down, now you'll find the reviews have already been imported for this product, about 20 reviews in this format, and that's it. This was our explanation today. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Goodbye.